Hi, my name is Eric Chow, and this is my 15112 term project. So, for my term project, I created a game called Memorize It. So let me bring you to the How to Play page to show you more about it. So this page describes to the player how to play the game, gives you basic instructions, shows you what the obstacles look like, what the stars look like. The idea behind the game is that you have to collect all 3 stars and then hit the target without colliding with any obstacles. But once you click inside the player and start moving the player around, all these objects disappear, your obstacles and your stars disappear. So you're actually forced to navigate your way, to remember what the screen looked like before you started playing, and then navigate your way using your memory through the obstacles, collecting all 3 stars, and then hitting the target. So this how-to screen just shows the player how to move around. Nothing actually disappears for this because I'm just showing like what you can do, how you can collect the stars, etc., etc. So to see an actual level, all you have to do is you hit R, go back to the home screen, and you can go to select level. So in your select a level, we have 3 different levels as of now: your easy, hard, and your custom, which we'll get to later. You can obviously add as many different levels as you want, but let's just check out what the easy level looks like. So here we are at the easy level. You have your obstacles, you have your stars and your target. Up here in the top right corner, there's actually an indicator. So what this indicator does is once you start playing the game and everything disappears, it's hard to know where these obstacles are. So this indicator basically shows you how close you are to these obstacles. As you're playing the game, when you get closer and closer to these obstacles, your indicator will get smaller and smaller and try to help you out a little bit. So also we have a star count, which will keep track of how many stars you've collected, and once your star count's equal to 3, you can hit your target and beat the level. So let's give this level a try and see what we can do. So here, once you click here, everything disappears. As you can see, your indicator is getting smaller and smaller because I'm getting closer and closer to this obstacle, and eventually you hit the obstacle and you lose. So go back to the home screen. Let's try that again. So now let's actually try to win. So again, you click inside the player, you start moving around, and here you go. Got 1 star, you got 2 stars, got 3 stars. Here we go. And now since your star count is equal to 3, you can hit your target, and there you go. You beat the easy level. So now if you go back to the home screen, there's also a hard level, which does the same thing. The game is the same. It's just a different obstacle and star layout, as you can see. So yeah, everything works the same way. So now let's go back here and let me show you the make your own level feature. So once you click on that, you're going to be given an empty screen where you can place a star, obstacle, or a target. So let's actually try to place an obstacle first. So what you have to do is click on obstacle, then you click on the top left corner of where you want the obstacle to be here, and then the bottom right. So that will give you your obstacle. And then let's just put a few more in here, here, and then let's just complete this face here. So there you go. Those are your obstacles. And then, so now all you have to do is you place your stars. So here you click on your star, double click here, place your star, double click here, place your star, double click here. And then all that's left is your target. So you click on your target. Let's just put it here for now. So this is going to be your custom level. To actually save this level so that you can play it later, all you have to do is double click on done. So here we go, 1, 2. And if you go back to your home screen and select level, you can now go to your custom level, and when you go in, this will be your level that you had before. As usual, you can play it just like any other level, and yeah, you can create. There's so many possibilities of what you can create. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and bye.